Hey guys, a bit more Japan-glish for the Japan-glish playlist. This one's back to front, but you get the idea. Go, go, happy. Go, go, happy, everybody. This one's not bad. It's pretty close. Look, sponge cake stuffed with custard cream. Okay, filled with custard cream would probably be alright, wouldn't it? But stuffed with custard creams is a bit... The light, fluffy cake stuffed with custard cream. But it was tasty. It was tasty. Self-laundry. Look at this, guys. When you're dirty and you need a wash, you can go in there and climb inside the big washing machine, put your coins in, and round you go. And yourself will come out nice and clean. Here's an old shop that's actually closed down. Bake shop. Bake shop. Like a bakery, really, isn't it? Here's a mystery. Look at this. Ustame. Ustame. Those of you familiar with Romanji will know there's lots wrong with that. Y isn't used like that in Japanese. So what is ustame exactly? Let's drive around the other side of the truck. And it'll say Yamatsu. That's more like it. So here's that odd thing again. For some strange reason, they seem to think that they have to put the words from the front of the truck towards the back of the truck. So that means the right-hand side of the truck is always back to front, doesn't it? So if you're wondering why English is such a mess in Japan, this will help explain it. This is a juku, where kids go to get educated, where high school students go to get educated. Sukuru. Okay, school, I-E or ie. Sukuru, it says in katakana. School. So they're teaching the kids to say sukuru. This is where they go to get educated, right? Doesn't this explain most of it? Sukuru. And this one says suichi on. So they're trying to say switch on. So on is easy, everybody can say that. But switch is difficult, so they've written in katakana suichi on. So that explains half of it, doesn't it? And then if we go across the street, we'll see another juku that's actually called good. But of course nobody in Japan says good, they all say gudo. So let's go to gudo and get an education. So it's a little bit tragic, isn't it? But you can see this is what perpetuates the bad English and keeps our Japanglish playlist growing and growing. More videos coming soon.